Eliza. These notes come from the book Artificial Intelligence by Elaine Rich and Kevin Knight. Eliza, developed by Weizenbaum in 1966, was an early artificial intelligence program that simulated the behavior of a Rogerian therapist. Eliza was not really intelligent. All Eliza's knowledge about English and psychology was coded in a set of simple rules. Rules in Eliza. Eliza operated by matching the left sides of the rules against the user's last sentence and using the appropriate right side to generate a response. For example, if the user typed, "My brother is mean to me," Eliza might respond, "Who else in your family is mean to you? Or tell me more about your family." The rules were indexed by keywords, so only a few had to be matched against a particular sentence. If no matching was possible, a generic response such as, "Tell me more about that," would be given. Strength and weakness. Thus, a great variety of sentences can be matched by a single rule, and the grammatical complexity of English is pretty much ignored. This accounts both for Eliza's major strength, its ability to say something reasonable almost all of the time, and its major weakness, the superficiality of its understanding and its ability to be led completely astray. An example of a dialogue with Eliza goes as follows. Person: Men are all alike. Eliza: In what way? They're always bugging us about something or other. Can you think of a specific example? Well, my boyfriend made me come here. Your boyfriend made you come here? He says I'm depressed much of the time. I'm sorry to hear you are depressed. It's true, I am unhappy. Do you think coming here will help you not to be unhappy? I need some help, that much seems certain. What would it mean to you if you could get some help? Perhaps I could learn to get along with my mother. Tell me more about your family. So on this final slide, we will look at some Eliza-like rules. In the first example, we see that if the user inputs a sentence containing the word me, Eliza will echo it back with the word you in place of me. So if I say, "Take me home," Eliza would reply, "Take you home?" The second example, I remember something. Eliza will respond, "Why do you remember that something just now?" And in the final two examples, we see an entity in curly brackets called family member. And this entity stands for a whole list of family members, mother, brother, father, and so on. So if you say, for example, "My brother is unhappy," Eliza can echo, "Who else in your family is unhappy?"